Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use fillet command in AutoCAD. For fillet command we have to type F in the command prompt. You will see fillet is pop up here. Select fillet. Now it's asking select first object. Before selecting the object, you saw here the radius is 0, 0. We have to change the radius. For change the radius, we have to type R and we have to give it the fillet radius as per your requirement. Let's say I will give 15. Now we will check radius is change. Yeah, now radius change to 15. Select the first object and second object. You see here fillet radius is there now. In the same way, you can increase and decrease the fillet radius. Let's say I want to change the fillet radius to 30. Fillet radius change to 30. In the fillet command, we have few options here: polyline, radius, trim, and multiple. Everyone have their own uses. So now we will use this trim here. We will type T for trim. You can see here there is trim and non-trim. Trim is already selected. If we select no trim and we will use the fillet here, this portion is not trim. This is the trim and non-trim option. You can on and off. Let's say I will off this one now, trim T, and I want T only trim. When I type here, you see here it's trim only. Now there is one multiple here also. We will use multiple also. Fillet, then you have to type M multiple. If you will type M multiple time, you can multiple time use same fillet. Like say this one, any n number of times you can use the same by using the multiple times. Let's say we can use another one. Fillet. Yeah, fillet command is done here. Same way you can use fillet in any lines. Thanks for watching.